What's up, guys? Today we're going to be cooking, and I'll show you a short explanation or instruction on how to cook the Korean famous dish. I guess it's called the fried kimchi potato. Hope you enjoy. Now, these are the main dish. We have the potato chopped. We have a kimchi, a lot of kimchi to make them together, and we have pork. After that, we have this little ingredients. As I compared to my hand right there, there's a little magic syrup. Those are salt. That is a chili powder and that much of sugar. Alright, now we have the fire down there. Let's put a little bit of oil. That should be enough. Now, going to first put the pork inside. Stir it up a bit. Now, let's put the pork inside. Not much. Mix it up a bit. Now after putting the pork and I put it inside, we'll put all of the potato in. There we go. And mix it up with the pork. Now, after stirring it up for a minute and a half, we're going to put lastly the kimchi inside. Mix it a little bit. Make sure that all of them have the kimchi paste in it. And after that, we'll immediately put in all of the paste in. And then we'll mix it up. Make sure that all the potatoes, the pork, the kimchi all get the same amount of paste. Now after mixing it for 5 minutes or so, we'll turn off the fire and then we'll put it in the plate. So guys, this is the Korean kimchi fried potato. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you learned something. Yeah, have a nice day and have a nice meal.